delivering disturbances to the Pacific Northwest, where they are getting pounded with snow. Some of the biggest snows on record in Seattle and the Intermountains of the Pacific Northwest, all the way down through the Sierra. The Sierra Nevada has picked up 3-4 feet of snow over the last several days, and they got another 1 to 3 on the way with this weather system. And eventually we get involved with this subtropical jet stream. We see one storm system. The storm track has been to the north. It's going to be shifting to the south, but we're not going to see snow like what they saw today up in Missouri, a big pileup on I-70 if you've been following on social media. Meanwhile, as we look at the close-up view of Louisiana, we have plenty of high clouds across the area, but underneath it we have these low stratiform clouds that would be fog, but the winds have been a little bit too strong, and it looks like fog won't be an issue for most of us, with the exception perhaps right along the coast. And you can kind of see where we're going to have a frontal boundary by tomorrow morning, right along I-10. To the north, visibility is good. To the south, some light fog, and right along the immediate coast we could have some thick fog, so be on the lookout for that, our coastal residents. And that fog gets pushed further offshore, but it's going to make a move back inland tomorrow night. As we have here, here's that frontal boundary. Few showers with that front, maybe 1 or 2 overnight tonight. We'll go 20% first thing tomorrow morning, and then the front kind of stops and then starts moving back to the north in the afternoon. Temperatures are going to be a mixed bag. North of the front, low to mid 60s. South of the front, upper 60s to low to mid 70s. So a tricky temperature forecast. Then the front moves to the north through tomorrow night into early Sunday. We get back into the mid 70s Sunday, and then that front makes a move back to the south. And now we're looking at a little bit better chance of at least scattered showers, 30–40% for Sunday afternoon. And that's picked up also by the European model. We go cooler into Monday, but still some rain in the forecast. And as we advance through the week next week, we'll see that front coming back north on Tuesday. It will be mild. Chance of scattered showers and storms as this frontal boundary moves on through as a cool front. Then overrunning rains as we get into Wednesday. Thursday, those rains continue but diminish by late in the day. Friday of next week may be the best day of the week. Sunshine early, clouds late, and then going into the Rio weekend. Here we go, back into the mild weather. Watch out for showers and storms. Timing is everything, and 10 days out we can't tell you if it's going to be dry or overly wet, but we do know that above normal rain chances are in the mix next week, with a mixture of cool and mild temperatures. So here's the rainfall through Tuesday. Not so much, but then as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, and into the following weekend, some pretty impressive totals shaping up. 3 to 5 maybe across portions of Louisiana. We'll say 2 to 4 for Acadiana, but as you get farther north and east, there will be some big rain totals and maybe some flooding. So something that we will be watching as we go into next week, but no severe weather threats at this point, nor overt heavy rain events on the way. So temperatures mid 60s tomorrow. Notice it'll be in the lower 50s in Alexandria, and then in the afternoon, upper 60s to lower 70s for most of us, but near 60 Ville Platte.